if you're not sure, but choose the one that's a little bit more available. Choose the one that feels a little bit easier. And I'd like you to breathe into that eye space from the front with that listening, loving breath. It's like you're breathing in some warmth. You're listening to where the breath travels. And then as you breathe out, you're softening. And you're breathing into that eye space, listening to what's available. And as you breathe out, you're allowing the eye to untension, to soften, to let go. And notice where your attention is as you breathe into the eye space. Is it on the outside of the eye? Is it on the inside corner? And wherever your awareness has been, shift it just a tiny bit to include a little bit more of the landscape. So that you're noticing what's included in that awareness and what might need a little bit of breath in order to come clearer. And I'd like you to breathe into the center of the eye with just that really simple, easy breath. And as you breathe out, just allowing there to be a little bit more room inside there. Allowing there to be a little bit more space between the cells. And then go ahead and bring your breath to the back of the eye space. Just behind the eye. What's that like to bring the breath there? Just what's truly simple, that pathway of ease. And as you breathe out, softening, opening, opening, opening. And allowing the eye now to rest back, to float, as if there's some water just behind the eye. And allowing the eye to float back and be held. And giving permission for your eye to not have to do anything and not have to see anything, not even having any need to make sense of the light filtering in through the eyelid. And then if it feels good, go ahead and visualize a tiny little pillow just behind the eye, and allow the eye to rest back into the socket fully, into this beautiful, soft, warm pillow. Breathing into the eye